Driving school.
In this video, you will learn 1. The main components used in driving a manual car. 2. How to shift with a manual car. 3. How to start a manual car uphill. In this part, you will learn the main components used in driving a manual car, such as transmission, clutch pedal, brake pedal, gas pedal, handbrake, and tachometer. This is the transmission, one of the most important components used in shifting process. In this video, the transmission we used have 5 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. The knob in the middle is the shift stick. The default position of shift stick is in the middle. This position is called neutral position. Make sure the shift stick is in neutral position before starting the car. When the car is started, we will shift into first gear, then go to second gear, and so on. If we want to reverse the car, we will shift into reverse gear. When the car is stopped, the transmission should be put into neutral position. The 3 pedals are clutch pedal, brake pedal, and gas pedal. The left one is clutch pedal. Only by pressing down the clutch pedal can we switch the gear. Make sure the clutch pedal has been pressed down before changing the gear. When you finish shifting, release the clutch pedal slowly. The middle one is brake pedal. It's used to slow and stop the car. The right one is gas pedal. It's used to accelerate the car. This is a handbrake. When car is parked on uphill or downhill road, the handbrake should be engaged to prevent the car from sliding down. The handbrake should be released before driving the car forward or backward. This is the tachometer. If you want to shift, the RPM of tachometer should be between 2000 and 3000. If the RPM goes to 5000, that's too much. In this part, you will learn the procedure of starting, driving, and stopping a manual car. First step, start the car. We can see the tachometer is around 1000 RPM. Then, release the handbrake. Second step, press down the clutch pedal. Third step, put the shift stick into first gear. Fourth step, release the clutch pedal slowly. When you feel the car is going to move forward, press down the gas pedal slowly as you continue to release the clutch. The car will start to move forward. Fifth step, accelerate until the car has reached about 2500 RPM. Then press down the clutch pedal again. Release the gas pedal at the same time. Sixth step, put the shift stick into second gear. Be sure to put the shift stick down until it cannot go any further. Seventh step, release the clutch pedal gently. Meantime, pressing down gently on the gas pedal. Repeat shifting process each time you hit 3000 RPM until you are driving at the appropriate speed. Eighth step, release the gas pedal, press down the brake pedal. When the speed of the car is slow enough, for example, lower than 15 miles per hour, press down the clutch pedal, put the shift stick into neutral position, release the clutch pedal. Hold the brake pedal until the car is completely stopped. Now let's watch the procedure again. At the lower part of the screen, we will see the car moves according to our operation. In this part, you will learn how to start a manual car uphill. Be sure the handbrake is engaged. Then start the car. Press down the clutch pedal. Put the shift stick into first gear. Press down the gas pedal. Release the clutch pedal slowly, and watch the tachometer at the same time. When the RPM is higher than 3000, and you can feel the car is going to move forward, release handbrake. Meantime, release the clutch pedal slowly. Hold the gas pedal stably. We can see the car is moving uphill. That's how to start a manual car uphill. Thank you.